So hello everyone, today I'm excited to share with you a small project that I've been working on, and that is a USSD-based loan management system. So this system is suitable for microfinance institutions who are looking to reach many people. So what this system does is that it allows members to be able to apply for loans, repay the loans, check their loan limits, and also request for detailed mini statements sent to them via email, all through USSD. So as far as the technology is concerned, for the backend I'm using Django. Then for the front end I'm using Bootstrap CSS for now, but later I'll integrate React over here. So other tools that I'm also using here is the Africa Stocking API for the USSD, and also the IntaSend API for the SDK push. So remember, the members will be able to repay the loans via an SDK push, which will be triggered through the USSD. So that is it. We're also using Celery and Redis just to speed up some processes here in the background. So I want to walk you through some of the processes such as member registration, loan application, loan approval, repayment, and also requesting of mini statements. So let's dive in. So to start with, I will be jumping to the Africa Stocking page over here. So we'll be able to enter our phone number. Then you can dial the service code. So this is the first time user because this user is not registered to the system. So we'll get the welcome message and an option to register. So let's register this one. So the first name, can add John, then the last name. Then you need to provide an email here where it will be sent the mini statement. Then now you need also to create a PIN. As a user, you need to have a PIN to be able to do some transactions here. Then confirm your PIN. And just like that, we have all successfully registered for the service. It's called Flexicash. So if you check to our admin over here, if you go to Flexicash members, you'll be able to see that we have this user with the first name, last name, email. The credit score by default it's 50. Then loan limit is 500 for new users. Then the balance right now is 0 because the member hasn't applied for a loan. So that is the user registration via USSD. Then let's check on the next one where members can be able to check their loan limit. So just select option 3. Then your loan limit is 500. It's okay. Then now let's go to the third one, that is the loan application. So that is option 1, and then notice that for the registered users they don't get that menu for registration, they get a different menu that is for apply loan, repay, check loan limit, and also an exit option. But for non-registered users they get the register option. So let's go ahead and apply for a loan. So that one, then you get the loan types that we have. These are the loan products. Again, these ones are dynamic, they can be added by the loan managers in the Django admin. So let's select the business loan, and then if you were to try and apply for a loan that is higher than our loan limit, let's say like 1,000 shillings, then you'll be told that the amount exceeds our limit. So let's go back and apply for a loan that is within our loan limit. So let's apply for the business loan. Then the loan amount here, let's apply for 100 shillings. Then the PIN, remember we created a PIN, so we need to key in the PIN. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then yeah, the loan is successful, but the loans need to be approved first. So if you go to loan applications, so you'll be able to see this loan with the status of pending. So you as the loan manager, you can go ahead and click on the loan, then you can be able to approve it. Now right now it's pending, so let's go ahead and approve the loan, then save it. So once it's saved, you'll be able to see that the principal amount, that is the amount that we applied, is 100 bob. The interest rate is 30 bob. It's 30%, sorry. That is the interest rate for the business loan. Then the outstanding balance is 130. The loan yield is 30 shillings, and the status is now approved. So with that way, we have successfully approved the loan, so the member can be able to get it into the account. So we can also check the repayment. The due date is on 2025, that is on March 1st. The business loan takes 60 days, so that's why the due date is on March 1st. Then the total repayment is that. The loan penalty is 0 because the user hasn't passed. Then let's check on the due dates. Over here you can see the application date, the disbursement date, the payment complete status. So if you also check on the members balance over here, you'll be able to see that the funds now have been credited to the member's account. Now the member balance is 130 after approval. So that is the application. We'll also cover the loan approval. So let's go ahead and test another thing, that is the loan repayment. So if you want to pay the loan, just select on option 2. Then you can select partial or full payment. So if you want to pay it completely, that is 130, you can just select full, or you can go for partial payment. So that is important to have in a microfinance system where members can be able to pay fully or pay partially with whatever they have. So let's select the full payment. Then we just need to confirm our PIN. Then it's saying that I've entered an incorrect PIN. That's true. So let's go ahead to repay loan. Then let's select full payment. Then the PIN was 1234, if I can't remember. Yeah, so an SDK push has been initiated. So the member will get an SDK push in his or her phone where you'll be able to enter the PIN. So you should be able to see an SDK push, then you enter your PIN. So that is how you repay your loan. Then another thing is for the loan applications. Once you have an outstanding balance, if you try to apply for another loan, you can see that you have a balance, so please repay before applying again. Then we also have partial payments where members can just select repay loan, select on partial payment. Then now in partial payments you need to specify the amount that you want to pay. So if I were to pay like 50 shillings, send, then you need to enter your PIN. Then you just enter, you'll get an SDK push to pay. So that's it for now. Let's test the next thing, that is requesting for statements via email. So right now if I go ahead and press 4, then you can get the different ranges. You can select for a 1 month range, 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. Let's go for the 3 months. So it will tell you that your statement has been sent to your email. So let's go ahead and check our email right now. Yeah, so you get a new email over here, that's a PDF. It's also password protected, so we need to grab this password, go back, click on our document here, and we can paste it here in our password, do the security check. Yeah, so you can get a PDF statement like this with that QR code, the logo, and also the payment. Now so far I haven't made the payment, so it's not reflecting here, but we have the member's name, the member ID, and the business, the type of loan that this member has. So that is the mini statement via email. So let's head over to the dashboard. So if you were to refresh our dashboard, initially we had 0 members. So let's refresh and see what has changed here. So we have one active borrower, the loans disbursed is 0. Then we also have 0 received, then the total due is 0, then the profits made is 0. Then we can also have the latest transaction over here, that is by this member, the date paid, the type, the payment reference, and also the status. So the status is still processing, so we need IntaSend to send us a notifications once the status has changed via the webhook that we set up. Then that is it for the admin dashboard. It's still a work in progress, so some of these charts are still static, so once I'm done with it, I'll be able to update you. So that is it for today, guys. It's just a sneak peek of what is coming. So I'm also planning to have a series where I'll be able to do a tutorial on how to code this entire thing on a step-by-step basis. So once it's done, I'll be able to create a YouTube playlist for this one. So that's it for today, guys. Let me hear what you think on the comment section, and also if you like videos like this, please make sure to give the video a like.